What's up, everyone? This is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here again with a new Google Ads uh, restoration unsuspension case study where the account was immediately suspended after being created. And we also provide Google Ads accounts. So this was such a case that one of our regular client who actually got an account from us, and it was immediately suspended, and we issued it from our Google partner MCC. And then the issue came of suspension, and the client was very worried because it was a new account, and it was being delayed because the client didn't accepted the invitation last week, I mean the week before, and because he was busy somewhere. And when we the invitation got expired, and then we sent the account invitation again, and then we opened, the error was the account is suspended for suspicious payments. So that this is a tough moment for a client as well as for us, because we have to gain our trust back with our client. And the client was confident there was no violation on the website, there was no violation on the account, the payment details were original, there was no issue, all the account compliant, everything was compliant, still the issue was over there. So we got it restored within less than 24 hours, and the client was surprised like how you did it very quite fast. And I can get you many clients if you need such service. So we were very happy because our client was happy because we got it reactivated, restored, and unsuspended for our client. So let me show you the account first, and then I can talk some aspects on what we did, and how you can do it as well. So here we are in our MCC because we operate multiple MCC, so which is why the other one should not be concerned to you. And because we have multiple MCCs and the accounts getting restored on someday on another MCC and someday on another MCC. And if you see a case study for an account is stored on another case account MCC, it could be another case study waiting for you. So you can see over here the account details over here, and you can see the notifications. If you press on the notification, you can see that your account is unsuspended, your account has been deactivated and is able to run ads again. So because you can see over here, and if I do this all time, you can see that the account has got clicks as well and is gaining the momentum as well. And if I refresh it again, and I might show you again that you can see over here the trend over here. So it's another successful case study, and I hope you like this case study, and I hope it's another successful case study. So what we did was basically we are a Google partner company, and we help the client to get it restored through our premium support we get from Google as well. Thanks to the client who was supportive, and yeah, that's all. So in case if you need Google Ads, Google Merchant Center, Google My Business, or Facebook Ads, or a Bing Ads account restoration, account setup, audit, or management services, the details are in the description of this video on how you can reach with us and work with us. Once again, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do write in the comments box, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding it. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.